Hello guys, today we are going to learn one small project in Power BI. We'll see how to work and what and all information we need to do and what and all information we need to enter. Everything we'll see. Before that, this is the Power BI business requirement sheet, and in your organization level also you guys can able to see business requirement sheet, and you guys used to get from your client business requirement sheet. And referring this business requirement sheet, you guys need to create a report, and we'll see what and all steps they mentioned in the sense client mentioned in business requirement sheet. And we'll go first. What we need to do, we need to go through the business requirement sheet. After go throughing, we need to work on our project. First we'll see what and all requirement my client have. After referring the business requirement sheet, we'll go for Power BI report. And first point is they mentioned like a 4 key steps. In that we'll see what and all 4 key steps they mentioned. First one is like a get data. In get data they mentioned like Central America and North America, and third one is South America. And in second point they mentioned like a clean data. In that we are interested in country, capital, population and area. They're expecting only they are expecting only country, capital, populations and area. And the second point is add a column called a region for a table. In that we need to add region to all the table. And the third point is what and all country requirement they have. We'll see that. And again they mentioned like here they mentioned like we are interested, but here they mentioned like we are not interested in that null values, blank cells and comma values and first rupee values etc and all not required, and they are not interested. So what we need to do, as per their requirement, we need to clean the data. And third point is like a South America. This what and all countries they mentioned, they are not interested in that. So what we need to do, we need to remove the extra countries. And third point is append queries. In append queries, what and all goals they have, in the sense consolidate all countries in one table. In the sense we need to consolidate all the tables in one table. And steps also they only mentioned what and all steps they mentioned. We'll see that. First one is like a open Power Query Editor, and in that we need to go to Home tab. After that we need to select append queries. After that we need to go to 3 or more tables. After selecting, we can able to see append the all 3 tables. And fourth step they have mentioned like a create visualization. In the sense what and all chart we need to use, they mentioned that as well. Along with that, what and all information is required, that also they mentioned. And insert a table. In the table they are telling like region, country and population information is required. So what we need to do, first we need to insert a table. After that we need to use region, country and population. And second visualization is a map. In map, aerial style we need to choose. In the sense in map only we have different kind of a map. So in that we need to select a aerial style. In that aerial style they are accepting country and population information. And third one is like a insert a slicer. In that slicer we need to select a region. In the sense they want region information, so we need to show that in a slicer. And this is the business requirement sheet. As per this sheet we need to work on project. And if you guys are any doubt, please let me know guys.